Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to uninstall Valorant completely. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, we need to exit from Valorant completely, and for that you can just go to your taskbar and click on this little arrow, and here you will find the icon for Riot client. We just need to hit right click on the icon and just hit on exit. After you exit from Riot client, you will not face any problem while uninstalling the Valorant. So once you do that, now here type add or remove like this, then you will find this option, just click there, and now here we need to type Valorant. Once you find the app, just click there and click on uninstall. So as you can see, the Valorant is now uninstalling, but there are some more steps we need to take to completely uninstall the Valorant. To do that, just open your PC and go to the location where you have installed the Valorant. So it is in my Windows drive, so you can see the name as Riot Games. So we just have to find this folder, and once you find the folder, just click on that, and this is the Valorant file which we need to delete. Or now you can do one more thing. For that, you just need to right click on the start button, then click on run, and here we need to type percentage local app data percentage and then hit enter. Or here we need to find the folder for Valorant. So yeah, this is the one which we are going to delete. Just hit right click on the folder, and from here we can just delete the folder. Now you have successfully removed Valorant completely from your PC. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.